If you have really fine hair like me, then you've probably thought about trying clip-in hair extensions. The biggest worry is always, am I going to be able to hide them in my really fine hair? And with these invisible hair extensions, it is super, super easy. As you can see, the hair on the extension goes right up to the top. So they are completely seamless and you cannot see the clip from the outside at all. It is just hair. I'm going to show you how to put them in so they look flawless. Clean sections are one of the most important things for hiding your hair extensions, so you want a tail comb and your clips. We're going to tease the section a little, and then we're going to clip the clip right at the hairline. Now we're going to repeat that process with 2 more sections in the back, and then 2 sections on each side of the front. For the front, we'll go pretty close to the front of the hairline, but just staying back from where those baby hairs start. We're going to do our little tease just to give something for the clips to hold on to. Our last little one right here, just to get that seamless blend. Again, about a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch away from the front of your face, depending on how many baby hairs you have. Leaving about an inch or 2 at the top to cover those clips. If you're worried about the hair extension showing near the top when you move your head, simply flip the hair, take the section right above the hair extension, add a bit of teasing, and that is going to cover that hair extension and keep it hidden when your hair moves.